Hey, welcome to Extreme RC Off-Roading. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble your metal injora links. Start by placing the O-ring on the metal link, like this. Now get this piece and connect it. It is harder than it looks, so I recommend you get some tweezers, pliers, or anything like that. It's gonna make it much easier to install. Now let's repeat the same steps on the other side. Install the small O-ring and now place this piece in while holding it with your tweezers, pliers, or whatever you're using. Now add this piece like this. Place it on the link and do as shown. Now lift up and you're done. And again, we repeat the same steps on the other side. You're gonna squish the golden piece with your pliers, tweezers, or whatever you have. Squeeze and lift up, and that's how you install that. Now just repeat the same steps with all of the links. It should end up looking like this. I already did mine, so now I'm just gonna install them. Took me a while, but I'm done. Okay, I'm done. I just finished installing all of the links. I really like the silver look it adds. It definitely added some weight down low. It made the truck a bit higher, which is good and not that good. It's good because it looks pretty cool, but a disadvantage of making it higher is that we did lose some articulation or flex. But besides that, I think these are some very nice links.